You know,
It's not a super chat question, but it is a good question that I want to bring up because it
okay.
has been a topic of conversation in previous,
Hmm.
and that is from Isaiah. He writes, "Could you please ask Steve if a turbo kit would be a better bet?"
You know, I've ridden the R&D turbo on the Ultra 300, and personally, I did not like the turbo leg.
Okay.
So I really do like the way that Kawasaki isolates the supercharger from the engine oil. So it has its own self-contained oil in there. So just in case your charger blows up, which inevitably it will during its life, it won't throw metal shavings into the motor like some other machines that we know.
Right.
Um, so as far as a turbo kit, I personally don't like it. Would it work? Yes, but I don't think you're going to like the turbo leg.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.